Okay, so for problem 22 on section 1.2, you have that segment GH is 4x minus 1. Now, I'm going to give you two different segments here. They're going to be a little bit different. So instead of that, I'm going to say that GH equals 2x minus 5. And I'm going to say that DH equals 10. And I'm going to ask you to find x. So we're going to do the same stuff, but we're going to do it with different numbers because I'm not going to give you the answer to your question, the one that you have for homework. Now, the figure stays the same. So you have GH. So let's look at that now. GH is this segment over here. It's the entire segment. And then DH is the segment that is right here. Now, if you remember in class, we talked about these tick marks, meaning that this segment right here and this segment right here are congruent. So DH is congruent to GD. That is something that you know, which means that GD equals 10, since DH equals 10. And you know that GD plus DH equals GH, and that's because of the segment addition postulate. So now you have that 10 plus 10 equals 20. So you get that GH equals 20. Now if GH equals 20 and you already know that 2x minus 5 equals 20, then you can solve for that. You have that 2x minus 5 equals 20 because GH equals GH, right? So GH right there. And you add 5 on both sides. And you get that 2x equals 25. And you divide by 2 and you get that x equals 25 over 2. And that's problem number 22. Now for 32, I am going to do 31 instead. So they say that S is between R and T. So what I would do is draw segment RT and a point S somewhere between R and T, because that's what they say right here. Suppose S is between R and T. And it says use the segment addition postulate to solve for each variable. Again, I'm using this item right here, so I'm doing that one. And I know that RS is 7y minus 4. I know that ST is y plus 5. And I know that RT, the whole thing, is 28. And by the segment addition postulate then, I have that 7y minus 4 plus y plus 5 equals 28, because this small segment plus this other segment equals the big segment. And now all you have to do is combine like terms. So you get 8y minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1 equals 28. If you subtract 1 from both sides, you get 8y. I'm going to move to the top. You get 8y equals 27, and y equals 27 over 8. And you can just leave it like that. So again, it's just a matter of combining like terms and solving for your variable. If you have any other additional questions, you can just email me.